At SpecChem, we're committed to innovation, service, and sustainability. We manufacture the highest quality concrete chemical products right here in America. At the heart of our operations are our elite facilities humming with activity. Here, our team of diligent workers operating top-tier equipment, which is precisely calibrated and routinely maintained, forms the backbone of our product offering. The manufacturing process begins with raw materials, carefully sourced for their quality and sustainability. Each ingredient is meticulously measured and mixed, ensuring the perfect balance for strength and durability. From liquid chemical technologies to epoxy products and cementitious grouts, our range is extensive, catering to a variety of applications in the commercial, industrial, residential, and repair and restoration markets. The process doesn't stop at production. Our products undergo rigorous testing in our in-house laboratory. Our team of experts analyzes every detail, from color and consistency to strength and durability. This process guarantees the superior quality of our products. Innovation is at the forefront of what we do. We continuously research and develop new products, refine our existing ones, and explore the latest technologies and trends. Our commitment to excellence drives us to deliver the highest quality products for our customers. But it's not just about the products we manufacture, it's also about the service we provide. At SpecChem, we pride ourselves on offering exceptional customer service. Our knowledgeable staff are always available to provide expert advice. We're also dedicated to environmental sustainability. From our choice of raw materials to our manufacturing processes, we strive to minimize our impact on the environment, providing a safer, cleaner world for future generations. SpecChem, America's #1 manufacturer of concrete chemical products.